Hey guys, I'm really excited to make this video. Now this is something that a lot of us have been waiting for, and that is a lead on a new side Easter egg for the Darkest Shore. We had gotten a hint from Cameron Dayton from Sledgehammer where he said, yeah, there's more to find on the Darkest Shore, but we didn't know if he was referring to just the secret character unlocks or were there actually gonna be some side Easter eggs. Well, it looks like there's potentially at least one side Easter egg, so huge shout out to the person that discovered this. I'm not sure who that was, but when I find out, I'll definitely put them in the description. And a big shout out to Empty Juice Box for letting me know about this. So if you come down to the sub pin area and look inside this zombie spawn, you can see two eye beams up on the wall right there. If you shoot the one on the left 8 times, it starts to turn in a clockwise motion and then it will just be sideways, and at that point it will stop and it will give you one jolt, and everybody in the game will also get a jolt as well. Now I'm not 100% that those are called eye beams, they may be called H beams. It seems like it's the structure inside of the concrete that helps, give stability to the walls. That's the best way I can understand it. One thing to notice is that when you do shoot the one on the left, it does turn and it kind of forms the letter H, and then the one on the right looks like an I. So maybe it's just saying hi and that's the end of the Easter egg, but hopefully not. The next logical step, and what most people are doing, is checking out the other I-beams that are protruding outside of the walls around the map. And again, so far no one's come up with anything, at least no one's reported that they have. There are several around the map in all of the areas and definitely still worth checking out. The side Easter egg that we had on Final Reich was the Money Bowl Easter egg that led to the classic Treyarch Easter egg PPSH in the box. So another logical next step would be to check the box and see if anything changes. Is this, the side Easter egg where it, makes the PPSH available? It's possible that it is, but we haven't done enough to allow it to circulate and actually be obtained from the box. I spent a good 20 grand on the box, and I did get the regular PPSH out of it, so that does exist in the box. And also the PPSH 4.1, like the regular one, is inside of the mine area. You have to ride the minecart and then quickly grab it off of the wall as you pass by. But yeah, this is just the regular PPSH. So I just wanted to check those two things, and nothing changed. Those PPSHs are the same. I was trying to think of things that connect to this Easter egg and what we've seen in the past and what they've done. And the I-beam gives you a jolt. And so, maybe you need to put that jolt somewhere or collect more jolts. At this time, we only have one jolt, and we've only found one I-beam to interact with, and I know a lot of people have noticed the white ball that was in the trailer, and it exists on some steps that lead to one of the flak cannons. That was the model that we had to interact with on Final Reich to actually get the PPSH to appear in the box. And it definitely seemed really out of place in the trailer, and it still seems out of place on the map. I went over to see if I could put a jolt in it, and the jolt didn't land in it like I was expecting it to, and then I was able to actually shoot and break it. So if this was something we were supposed to do something with, I seriously doubt it would be breakable. My guess is that if this is the first step and we're not actually supposed to locate any other I-beams, we might need to just take this one jolt and go put it somewhere. And if we put it in the appropriate and respective spot, it will only take one jolt from us to let us know we've done the next step correctly. I know there's a few people in the community hunting, and I just wanted to make the video and show you guys, what's all been found at this point so that we can all start hunting together. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this. I'll keep you updated, and we'll see you guys next video.